Welcome back! Today we're diving into the rewarding journey of planting and caring for coconut trees. From choosing the perfect sunny spot to harvesting your own coconuts, I'll guide you through every essential step. This isn't just gardening, it's about creating your own paradise and connecting with nature. By the end, you'll feel ready and inspired to start your own coconut cultivation story. Let's get started and grow something beautiful together. First, let's find the ideal home for your coconut tree. The right location is the very first step in ensuring your coconut palm thrives for years to come. Think of this as choosing a lifelong residence for a future giant, one that will provide shade, beauty, and coconuts for generations. Choose a spot with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Coconuts love warmth and humidity. Sunlight is their energy source, fueling strong growth and healthy fruit. If your garden has a sunny corner that stays bright most of the day, that's a great candidate. Make sure your climate stays between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Frost-prone areas are tough for coconuts. These tropical trees are sensitive to cold snaps, so if you live in a region with chilly winters, consider planting in a sheltered microclimate or even using protective covers during cold spells. The soil should be well-draining and sandy, like beach sand. Avoid heavy clay or areas that flood. Sandy loam is perfect, as it allows water to move freely and roots to breathe. If your soil is heavy, consider amending it with sand or organic matter to improve drainage. Check your property for drainage after rain. Standing water is a red flag. You can do a simple test by digging a small hole and filling it with water. If it drains within a few hours, you're good to go. Coconut roots need moisture but can't stand being waterlogged. They thrive in soil that stays moist but never soggy. So finding that balance is key to healthy growth. Pick a location away from low-lying, swampy spots. These areas tend to collect water and can suffocate your tree's roots, leading to disease or stunted growth. Once you've found a sunny, warm, well-drained area, you've set the stage for success. This is where your coconut palm will put down roots and flourish. Remember, you're choosing a lifelong home for your tree. Take a moment to imagine how it will look as it grows tall and strong, providing coconuts and shade for years to come. Take time to observe your land and imagine your future palm. Walk around, notice how the sun moves, and think about how your tree will fit into the landscape as it matures. This careful start is the foundation for a healthy, productive tree. A little extra effort now will pay off with a thriving coconut palm that rewards you for decades. Spend a little time with your land before you plant. Get to know its quirks, its sunny spots, and its hidden challenges. The more you understand your site, the better your coconut tree will grow. A strong beginning leads to a fruitful end. With the right site, your coconut palm will have everything it needs to thrive and reward you with lush growth and delicious coconuts. Now let's plant your coconut tree. This is an exciting step in your journey to growing a healthy and productive coconut tree. Space tall varieties 25-30 feet apart. Dwarfs can be 20-25 feet apart for good airflow and sunlight. Proper spacing ensures that each tree has enough room to grow without competing for resources. Dig a pit about 3 feet wide, long, and deep. This gives roots room to grow. A well-prepared pit is crucial for the root system to establish itself and support the tree as it matures. Mix the bottom half of the pit soil with compost or well-rotted manure for nutrients. This organic matter enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients that will help your tree thrive. Use a lighter mix of topsoil, sand, and compost for the top half. This mixture ensures good drainage and prevents waterlogging, which can harm the young roots. Place your sprouted coconut so 2/3 of the nut is buried. Don't cover it completely. This positioning helps the seedling to establish itself while allowing the shoot to grow upwards. The best time to plant is at the start of the rainy season for natural moisture. Rain provides a consistent water supply, which is vital for the young plant's growth. Gently firm the soil around the nut, but don't compact it. Water thoroughly after planting. This helps to settle the soil around the roots and provides the necessary moisture for the seedling to start growing. This careful preparation gives your tree the best possible start. A well-planted tree is more likely to grow strong and healthy, setting the stage for future growth and productivity. Stand back and admire your work. You've just begun a rewarding journey. Watching your coconut tree grow will be a fulfilling experience. With the right foundation, your coconut tree is set to thrive. Proper planting is the first step towards a bountiful harvest. Let's move on to caring for your new plant. Proper care will ensure that your tree continues to grow strong and healthy. Watering is crucial, especially in the first year. Young trees need deep watering every 2-3 days during dry spells. Keep soil moist, not soggy. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation to deliver water directly to the roots and minimize evaporation. As the tree matures, water deeply once a week during dry periods, especially when flowering or fruiting. Mulch around the base with coconut husks, wood chips, or sugarcane bagasse. Leave a gap at the trunk to prevent rot. Mulch keeps soil moist, cool, and suppresses weeds. As mulch breaks down, it enriches the soil. Watering and mulching work together to keep your tree healthy. Adjust your routine with the seasons and your tree's needs. Consistent care leads to strong growth and better yields. Pay attention to your tree's signals. Wilting or yellowing may mean it needs more water. With the right rhythm, your coconut tree will flourish. Let's talk about feeding your tree next. Fertilizer is your tree's balanced diet. Start with organic matter, compost, manure, or vermicompost, applied twice a year at the start and end of the rainy season. For extra nutrition, use a balanced NPK fertilizer like 13-13-21, especially if your soil is lacking. Nitrogen boosts leafy growth, phosphorus aids roots, and potassium is key for fruiting. Young trees need about a pound of fertilizer per year, split into several applications. Mature, fruiting trees may need 5-10 pounds annually. Apply fertilizer in a shallow trench 5-6 feet from the trunk, where feeder roots are most active. Cover the trench after applying to prevent runoff. Healthy green fronds mean your tree is well fed. Adjust fertilizer amounts based on your tree's appearance and growth. Consistent, thoughtful feeding builds a strong, productive tree. Don't overdo it. More isn't always better. Next, let's protect your tree from pests and disease. Even healthy trees can face pests and diseases, so vigilance is key. Regular monitoring and early detection can save your trees from severe damage. It's important to know what to look for and how to act quickly. The rhinoceros beetle is a common pest. Look for V-shaped cuts on new leaves. These beetles can cause significant damage if not controlled promptly. Fill leaf axils with sand and salt, or use pheromone traps to deter beetles. These methods are effective and environmentally friendly, helping to keep your trees safe without harming the ecosystem. Mealybugs and scale insects appear as white or brown bumps. Wipe off small infestations or use neem oil for larger ones. Neem oil is a natural pesticide that can help manage these pests without the use of harsh chemicals. Neem oil is safe for beneficial insects and disrupts pest life cycles. It's a great option for organic farming and maintaining a healthy balance in your garden. Bud rot is a serious fungal disease. Yellowing and wilting of the youngest leaf is a warning sign. This disease can spread quickly, so early intervention is crucial. Treat early with copper-based fungicide and ensure good drainage to prevent it. Proper water management is essential to avoid conditions that favor fungal growth. Leaf blight causes brown spots. Prune and destroy infected fronds, and use fungicide preventatively in wet weather. Regular pruning and maintenance can help keep your trees healthy. Regularly inspect your tree for signs of trouble. Early detection allows for timely treatment, preventing minor issues from becoming major problems. Early detection and gentle intervention are best. Handle your trees with care to avoid causing unnecessary stress or damage. Healthy, well-fed trees are naturally more resistant. Providing adequate nutrients and water helps your trees build strong defenses against pests and diseases. Stay proactive and your tree will thrive. Consistent care and attention are key to maintaining a productive and healthy coconut plantation. Now let's keep your tree tidy and productive. Regular maintenance not only improves the health of your trees, but also enhances their yield and longevity. Regular maintenance keeps your coconut tree healthy and productive. Remove old brown fronds and dead flower stalks to improve air circulation and reduce pest hiding spots. Only cut fronds that are completely brown, leave green and yellowing ones. Keep the area around the base weed-free, at least a 6-foot circle. Mulch helps suppress weeds, but hand pull any that break through. Routine pruning and weeding ensure nutrients go straight to your tree. Think of this as a regular check-in with your plant. These small acts of care make a big difference. A tidy tree is a healthy, fruitful tree. Let's see what happens when your tree starts to flower. After years of care, your coconut tree will finally flower, a true milestone. Tall varieties flower in 6-8 years, dwarfs in 3-4 years. Each flower stalk has both male and female flowers, but they open at different times, encouraging cross-pollination. Wind and bees are the main pollinators. Bees are especially efficient. Planting flowers and herbs nearby attracts pollinators and boosts your coconut yield. Avoid harmful pesticides. Use bee-safe options like neem oil and apply in the evening. Watching pollination in action is a marvel of nature. Supporting pollinators means more coconuts for you. Understanding this process helps ensure a bountiful harvest. Now let's talk about harvesting your coconuts. Harvesting is the reward for your patience and care. For coconut water, pick young green nuts about 6-7 months after flowering. For mature coconuts, wait 11-12 months until the husk turns yellowish brown. Dwarfs can be harvested by hand or with a stepladder. For tall trees, use a long pole with a curved blade. Regular harvesting every 45-60 days keeps the tree productive. You'll often find coconuts at different stages on the same tree. Hold your first homegrown coconut. It's a special moment. Whether for water or flesh, enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvesting connects you to the earth and your efforts. This is the delicious end to your coconut journey. Celebrate your success and look forward to more harvests. Let's wrap up with a few final thoughts. That's our journey, from sprout to harvest. With the right spot, good soil, water, and care, your coconut tree will thrive. Stay vigilant, support pollinators, and enjoy the process. I hope you're inspired to start your own coconut story. Share your questions or ideas in the comments. I love hearing from you. Subscribe for more gardening adventures. Until next time, happy gardening!